Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 31st, 2017. It's currently 9:48 a.m. and it's been a bit foggy this morning with a marine air mass locked in over much of the region. We had fog basically dominating the entire area from about 4 a.m. through about 8 a.m. this morning. Now that fog is slowly starting to lift. It's still kind of hanging strong along the coast, especially over southern Connecticut, the New Jersey coast, Long Island, where visibility is struggling to rise above a mile. But the rest of the region is starting to see those low clouds and fog lift as warmer air attempts to move into the region as a cold front approaches the area. So you can kind of see where the differences in the air masses. We got your marine air mass locked in along the coast, but your weak easterly winds are around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then as you move further inland, you got basically light and variable winds, almost calm. And then as you move towards portions of western and central Pennsylvania, you got those southwesterly winds with much warmer air driving into the region. So on the visible satellite picture, you could see the air mass change starting to develop with clear skies starting to build in to portions of east central Pennsylvania. So what I think is going to happen and what should happen is that our marine air mass remains pretty strong along the coast. We'll see some breaks in the clouds, but for the most part, a cloudy day with temperatures holding in the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast with a more stable air mass in place. However, as you head towards the Delaware River Valley, head towards, let's say, portions of the central Hudson River Valley back through much of eastern Pennsylvania, temperatures will spike into the lower to mid 70s as skies start to clear. We'll get more breaks, more of a scattered cloud cover setup, and the atmosphere will become more what we call unstable. So when we take a look at the radar, currently right now we have a few scattered showers that are lifting up through portions of the Hudson River Valley, the New York City Metro, Long Island, and Connecticut. We also still have a few shower threats along the coast, not really showing up very well on the radar, but there is some drizzle being reported along the immediate New Jersey coast. So what we'll see is a bit of a break as we head towards the late morning and early afternoon hours, and then a line of thunderstorms will start to form over central Pennsylvania and central New York and slowly track towards our region. If you're in eastern Pennsylvania, western New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, and northwestern Connecticut, watch out for these thunderstorms because I think they'll be capable of reaching severe levels. We're talking about thunderstorms capable of heavy downpours, frequent lightning, hail, and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. And then later on this evening, as those thunderstorms attempt to move through the region and head towards the coastal waters, they will weaken but still be capable of some very heavy downpours and poor visibility. So the evening rush hour is looking a bit unsettled, that is for sure. So when you take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you kind of have your whole setup right here. This high pressure system right here is keeping that marine air mass in place along the coast. It's kind of a buffer and it's not really giving way all that easily. So there's going to be a bit of a fight along the coast to drive this marine air mass out. However, as you move further inland, especially over eastern Pennsylvania, that marine air mass is not as entrenched, and so it is being mixed out and warmer air is moving in. Then we have this cold front that is coming in from the Great Lakes and Ohio River Valley that will move through tonight on through tomorrow morning, and that will produce our showers and thunderstorms. Behind this cold front, we dry out, and the end of this week, tomorrow and Friday, will be absolutely beautiful, clear skies. How about this weekend? Well, mixed bag. Let's dive into this forecast. So for this afternoon, again, periods of showers can be expected. Look for thunderstorms to develop this afternoon, evening. Again, the most impressive thunderstorms will be over eastern Pennsylvania, extreme western New Jersey, northwestern New Jersey, especially. Watch out for there. Also, the Hudson River Valley and northwestern Connecticut. That's where I think you'll see the best potential for severe thunderstorms. As those thunderstorms move east into a more stable environment, those thunderstorms will weaken and there'll be more of a heavy rain producer. Still some rumbles of thunder and some flashes of lightning, but they won't be as intense as they will be further inland. Look for temperatures to rise into the upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, that cold front leaves a few lingering showers in the morning, tomorrow morning, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s for lows. For tomorrow afternoon, scattered cloud cover is expected, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. Look for low humidity, clear skies, a very comfortable day. On Friday, look for scattered cloud cover expected, An isolated shower is possible in the evening, but I think for the most part we're looking at dry conditions. Look for temperatures to range from the mid 50s for lows, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, and lower to mid 70s over the Delaware River Valley for highs. Friday night into Saturday morning, a cold front will move through with a few scattered showers, possibly an isolated thunderstorm. That cold front will clear out during the morning hours, and by the time we get to the afternoon hours, clear skies can be expected. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the mid 50s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. Then that cold front rebounds as a warm front as this low pressure system drives from the central uh, Great Lakes into the northern mid-Atlantic. So what we'll see is this warm front here start to produce periods of moderate to heavy rainfall, especially in the afternoon and evening hours on Sunday. Temperatures will range from the mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs along the coast, lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. Basically, the theme on Sunday is that the closer you are to the coast, the colder you'll be, and also the wetter you'll be, with periods of rain basically coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. On Monday, that low pressure system starts to move through the region with additional periods of rain in the morning, followed by scattered showers in the afternoon. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, mid 60s along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, another weak area low pressure will rotate through with a few isolated showers in the morning, followed by scattered clouds in the afternoon. Rather cool for this time of year. Lows in the mid 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. And on Wednesday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies, but still very cool conditions for June. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.